Balikus này các banh chành luôn. So teacher, where are you? Hello. Hello.
Hello, Mary. Good evening.
Good evening.
All right. How are you, Mary?
I'm good to eat dinner.
You are eating dinner?
Do you eat dinner?
Yeah, I had dinner. I had
What
dinner
did you eat today?
earlier. Oh,
What
I
did you
ate
eat?
rice and meat. Oh, and vegetables. You know the vegetable that you don't like?
What?
I ate the vegetable that you don't like, that
I don't
you
know.
don't like.
I forget it. I don't like
The
what
bit,
vegetable.
the bitter gourd, the bitter melon.
Oh no.
You know that?
Yes, don't like it.
Yeah, bitter melon with egg.
Oh, I know it,
Yeah, I like it. It's so
but I don't
good.
like.
So good for me.
I know it.
Yeah, this one. I think mine looks like, yeah, maybe it looks like this, the one that I ate. What? Yeah. It's so this one. It looks like this. Mine looks like this. So
Oh.
good. You don't like it? I like it. Hmm?
My dad sometimes cook it.
Your dad? Oh yeah, because this is healthy. How about you? What did you have you had dinner?
No?
You haven't had dinner. All right. Are you hungry now?
Yes, I have free.
Oh no. So what time are you going to eat?
After I learn with you.
Okay, after our class. And what's for dinner? What will you eat for dinner?
I'm right. I can say it. I can say it.
Okay.
Oh,
Mm, I know this. Tom? Tom?
Tom,
I know that. It's shrimp. I know Tom. It's shrimp. Yeah, I know it. It's shrimp.
it's chef,
Yeah, it's so good. I like it.
but a smart chef.
Ah, small only. With vegetables? Does it have
So
vegetables?
no, my
Hmm?
dad cook. I don't know.
Oh, your dad
All he
cooked.
said me he cook stuff, and I don't know what he cook vegetable. I don't know.
You don't know what vegetable he cooked? Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I don't know.
All right. Okay. Maybe we will find out later. Maybe you can ask later. All right. Yeah, so how about today? What did you do?
Learn.
You learned. Oh, really? You learned? Did you go to
I don't go to school. I learn at home.
Aha, okay. So you learned by yourself. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I learn by.
Okay. All right, so I think we can start our lesson now, Mary. Okay. All right. So let's continue our lesson. Do you remember we talked about these words last time?
Yes, and remember,
Okay, so maybe we can have a review first, Mary, if you still remember. So, what is a country again?
country is
Mm-hmm.
countries is example is uh crime.
Yeah, so country is a place, right? Countries are places. So we have different countries in the world. Can you give me examples of countries?
Mm,
Again, Mary?
is um China
Mm-hmm.
and um,
Mm-hmm.
Philippines, USA,
Mm-hmm.
Vietnamese,
Vietnam.
Vietnam,
Vietnam. Mm-hmm.
mm,
All right, so those are countries. How about a suburb? All right, so this is suburb, right? Do you remember this is suburb? So what is a
yeah.
suburb again, Mary?
A suburb um is around the city.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. It's a neighborhood outside the city center. Okay, it's
Yeah.
near the city. Yeah, it's outside the city center. Okay, all right. So that's a suburb. Okay, yeah, that's where people live. Okay, so how about rural area? What do you
For
remember
area,
about it?
same countryside.
Yeah, that's right. It's the countryside. What about the urban area?
Area is a city.
Yeah, urban area is the city. That's right. So what can you see in the urban area?
An area is as many skyscraper.
Yeah, it has many skyscrapers. So yeah, that's right. Okay, maybe shopping centers, shopping malls, or maybe jobs, right? Okay, all right. So how about the shopping mall? So what is a shopping mall, Mary?
Shopping mall is have many shop in
It
it.
has many shops, and then
And we have a supermarket in it.
oh yeah, it has many shops, and yeah, it also has a supermarket. Of course, a supermarket is a shop. Yeah, that's why it's called shopping mall. So it has different shops inside. All right, so we have the next one, university. So what is university, Mary?
Is a school
Yeah, a school
for a big student.
for big students. Yeah, for higher education, right? The university is for higher education. So we have, if you finish with primary, secondary, and high school, so you will go to the university, right? To study
Yes.
your major, whatever you want to be in the future. So you will study in the university. Okay.
Oh
All right. So
yes.
we have here hospital. So what is a hospital?
Hospital is place we can check a body.
Uh-huh. All right. So we go to the hospital if we are sick. Okay. People go
Yes.
to a hospital when they don't feel well, right?
Yes.
So who are the people we go to the hospital? Who do we meet in the hospital to that who
Um,
can help us?
doctor, nurse.
Yes, that's right. Doctors and nurses. So they work in the hospital, and they help sick people to feel better. All right, so
Yeah.
how about factory? Do you remember what a factory is?
Factory is
Mhm.
a place many people work in it.
Yes, that's right. And what do they make? Can you give examples of the things that
They
people
make
make?
paper, they make people food, uh, clothes.
Yeah, yeah. So they can make clothes, maybe even things at home or maybe food. Yes, that's right. So those are some jobs that can people do or the things that can people make at a factory. All right. And we have here clinic. Yeah, so we haven't talked about clinic. So last time we ended at factory. So what is a clinic? What do you think a clinic is?
House in a hospital.
Yeah, exactly. A clinic is, yeah, you can also see a clinic in the hospital, but yeah, a clinic is like, it can be maybe outside the hospital. Yeah, it's just like a small hospital where work, a doctor
Oh, yeah.
works. Yeah. And yeah, it can be a doctor for people or a doctor for animals. Yeah, it can be an animal clinic too. Okay? Yeah. hmm All right. So we have the next one, zoo.
True.
All right. So Mary, what is a zoo?
In place, this play has many animals live in.
Yeah. Okay. Many animals live at the zoo. Yes, that's right. All right. So what animals? All right. Now, have you ever been to a zoo, Mary?
Huh?
Have you ever been to a zoo? Do you go to zoos? Do you go
Yes,
to a zoo? Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. When did you go to the zoo?
when I go to do last
Mhm.
summer.
Last summer. Oh, last year. Last year.
Last year.
Oh, really? Okay. So just last year. So what animals did you see at the zoo?
Giraffe, elephant, lion, tiger,
Mm-hmm.
um, capybara, bird,
Oh, wow.
monkey,
Mm-hmm.
um,
Mm-hmm. You have forgotten. You know, I haven't seen a real capybara.
yeah, that is
Yeah.
funny. But
Hmm?
it's so funny. But it's so funny.
Yeah, it looks funny. I've told you before that capybaras look so funny. Yeah, that the face is funny and silly. All
That
right.
is a
And which
friendly,
hmm?
friendly animal.
It's
They,
is it a friendly animal? A capybara is a friendly
yeah,
ah,
it can play with crocodile.
really?
Really?
Capybaras can play with crocodiles? They don't scare capybaras or they don't fight
No,
with capybaras or
no,
bite?
no.
Really?
Yes, sometimes
So
it is.
in the
I
zoo, you've seen capybaras and crocodiles. They play together.
The crocodile place is very full, but a capybara place they can go.
Uh huh. All right. And which one is your favorite animal at the zoo?
My favorite animal, monkey,
Is the monkey. Uh huh. Why? Why monkey? Why the monkey?
because
Mm-hmm.
I like monkey. It's so fun, it's friendly, and it's faster.
Uh-huh.
Um,
Mm-hmm. Monkeys are fast. So
but
you like monkeys because they're fast?
but They eat my ice cream when I go to the zoo with my mom.
Really?
Yes, I
Really? So
eat
you were
ice
eating an
cream.
ice
No,
cream? You were eating an
my
ice cream?
my
Uh-huh.
my mom buy me a ice cream. I
Your mom bought you
I
an
eat
ice
it.
cream.
Um, I eat it. The monkey king. No, no,
Really?
no. Yes,
Oh, really? So
and I can't.
the monkey can go near you?
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
it's not in
It
a
can.
cage? The monkey is not in
No,
the
no, no.
cage?
They don't in the cage.
They're not in the cage. Oh, really? Yeah, I think
Yes,
it's a fun experience because you can go near the monkey. But I think
I
that's
cry.
also a bit
I,
dangerous.
I cry, and my mom buy again the ice cream.
Oh, wow, that's a nice experience, even if you cried. Oh, did the monkey eat the ice cream? Your ice
Yes,
cream? Oh, I don't know that monkeys like ice cream.
they eat. They eat cake. They eat. Mm, they eat ice cream with me.
Uh-huh, they eat anything. Maybe they eat anything. They can
Yes.
eat anything.
When I go to play again,
Mm-hmm.
they try to eat watermelon. Yum yum yum.
Oh, they were eating watermelons. Maybe that's what
Yes,
maybe their favorite is fruit. Yeah, they like fruits.
but when we go, my mom bring a watermelon. We could eat and had a monkey. My
Mm-hmm.
my son
Your son?
um no 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 no. My
Cousin?
my mom friend had a son. He gave
Ah,
a watermelon for the monkey.
uh-huh. He gave the watermelon to the monkey and then
And then eat nom 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 nom.
okay, so the monkey ate the watermelon that the boy gave. Oh.
Yeah, that's
Okay. I think monkeys really like fruits.
oh yeah.
I, is it true that the monkey's favorite fruit is a banana?
I don't know.
Maybe I don't know too. Maybe they like anything, any fruits.
Any food they eat, they can eat.
They eat any food that they can eat.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Even if the food is not theirs, they will get it.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, like your ice cream. All
I
right.
ask for
Okay.
you.
All right. Maybe they just want to try the ice cream. Maybe they because they don't get to eat ice cream every day, or maybe it's the monkey's first time eating the ice cream. Okay. All right. So let's move on to this one. So now you have to arrange the words here. So you have to place the words in the correct heading. So you can live in a or an, you can work in a or an. So you have to place the words here to the boxes here. Okay. So let's start with country. So where do you put the country? So yeah, so we have here the country. You can live in a country and you can work in a zoo. So we have country and zoo. So now let's talk about suburb. Do you want to write? Oh yeah.
No,
Okay, so
I don't want. You're right.
you want me to write?
Again? Yeah.
Okay, so we have so your answer is suburb. Okay, so you can suburb.
You can work in shopping mall.
Hmm? Shopping mall?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course you can work in a shopping mall. Do you want to work in a shopping mall?
No,
Why not? Why?
I
Why
don't
not?
know.
Maybe it's
I don't.
difficult, right? Maybe the job in the shopping mall is not easy, right? Hmm.
Can you hear a sound?
No. What's that
Oh,
sound? What sound?
my dad cook.
I can't hear because I'm using a noise canceling. This is noise canceling. It removes all the sound, all the noise. My headset, it removes all the noise. I only can hear you and you can only hear me using because of this. Even if someone is crying in my house, you won't hear it. Do you understand it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Even if there's a noise in your house, I won't be able to hear it.
Where your daughter?
They're here. They're playing. Do you want to see them?
Yes.
Yana. Come here, Yana. Yana, my student wants to see you. Come here. You want to talk to her?
Yes.
Okay, come here. She's here.
Oh,
Hi.
yes.
Oh, you talk to her.
Hi. Hello. Your name? What's your name? What's your name? When
She asking her name. It's tell her your name. Be shy. Say my name is Yana. Oh no, she's shy. She's just 6 years old. Hey, you don't want to talk? You want to? She's drawing right now. Do you want to show her your drawing? You show her the cat that you draw earlier. Go get it. she's
where?
really, she's really shy. Yeah, she's getting the picture that she drew. All right. What did you talk to her?
Yes,
Di-
I asked me. I asked hello, and he hello me, and I asked, what's your name? Mm,
and she didn't answer. She's shy.
yeah.
Here, you show her. Come here. Tell her what you draw. She doesn't want to talk. Oh, here. Show it.
Oh, it's cute.
Yeah, she drew a cat. She said it's cute. Say thank you. Say thank you. She's really shy. Okay. She also really likes drawing. Actually, she's drawing right now. And my other daughter is also drawing. Do you want
Wait,
to
I
talk to
can't
her? Do you
hear
want to?
anything.
Yeah, yes, you come here. You want to talk to Mary? Yeah, Mary's my student. You want to? You will talk, okay? You have to talk to her. Oh, you're so heavy. Hi. Oh, you talk, huh? Hi. Hi. My name's Yasi. Hey, what's your name? Hey, mom, what's your name? Tamo, my name's Yas. I'm Yasi. I'm Yasi. Say mo. Oh, that's Mary. That's my student. Okay, all done? Say I'm drawing. Say I'm drawing. Bye. Say it. Say it. Oh no, they don't want to talk. I don't know why
Yes.
they're really shy. Okay. Yeah. They're they're drawing behind me. But you can't see them. They're behind me
Music.
because there's a curtain here. There's a curtain here behind me.
You
If
put
I
it.
you want me to
You
remove
put.
it?
Yeah. What do you want?
I'm in my bedroom. Oh no, wait a minute. You want to see them? Let
Yeah.
me where is the background? Here.
Where?
Here's my Yana.
Um,
Look. Hi.
hello.
Hi, they're drawing. They're drawing there. This is our room. This is our bedroom. You want to see our bedroom? Here. But you can see the bed. It's very, it's a bit low. And I put that. So it's, so to close it. Where's my background earlier? Maybe it's this one. Okay. Yeah. So, I'm in my bedroom now. But before, do you remember I don't work in my bedroom? I work outside, right? I work,
Wait,
I work, okay. Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. So maybe we can continue. We still have 3 minutes. All right. No. Where are we now here? So we
oh,
talk
now
about, we have sub and shopping mall. Okay. So we have
oh, yes.
here, suburb. Your answer is suburb. We have shopping mall. And then maybe we can finish this. What else?
Linear is you can let
Where?
um you rate
In a rural area. Rural area. Okay, so you can live
yes
in in a rural area. Where else can we live?
um we can work in university.
Yeah, you can also work in a university. Maybe you want to be a teacher, so you will work in a university. Do you want to be a teacher?
No, no, no.
No, 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 no. All right. How about urban area?
Urban area is you can live
You can live in an urban area.
and
Urban
you can work in hospital, factory,
hospital.
clinic,
Mm-hmm.
hospital, factory,
Factory. All
clinic,
right.
and
Clinic.
clinic.
Yeah, you can also work in a clinic. Yeah. So nothing else here? All right. So those are all correct. Okay. Yeah. So where do you work? Where do you want to work here? And with any place here? Do you? Hmm?
I work in the city.
In an urban area, you want to work here? Maybe a factory? No, not a
Oh
factory.
no,
Or maybe in an office. You want to work in an office.
in an office.
In an office in an urban area. So maybe one of the skyscrapers here in Ho Chi Minh City. You want to work in an office in one of the skyscrapers in Ho Chi Minh City. Is that right?
Oh yeah.
All right. So I think it's already time, Mary. So yeah. So we will continue our lesson next week. All right. Goodbye. Good job, Mary. Goodbye.
See
See
you
you next.
next
See you. Bye bye.
time.